A huge crowd of anti-US protesters took to the streets in Karachi to denounce the murder of two Pakistanis by a US national in the eastern city of Lahore. Pakistani police have charged the diplomat with double murder. The US diplomat told police that two guys tried to rob him, and in his defense he shot them. But autopsy rejected his allegations. A pedestrian was also killed by a speeding car from the US consulate. The US Embassy in Islamabad demanded the release of Raymond Davis in absolute terms, saying that he enjoys diplomatic immunity under international law and cannot be tried in Pakistan.
These demonstrators are protesting against the recent killings in Lahore, in which 3 Pakistanis were killed by the US diplomat, and they are demanding strict legal actions against those who were involved in that incident without any consideration of international pressure.
The latest statement from US Embassy in Islamabad was undoubtedly different from the one released earlier, describing the accused Davis, a staff member of the US Consulate General in Lahore, which, though ambiguous, was clearly short of declaring him as a diplomat. The Foreign Office seems to have also hardened its stance on the matter, condemning the incident and calling for justice.
We are surprised that he has been given an open license to kill Pakistani people, and the government of America and the government and the American diplomats, they are also trying to declare him as a diplomat. Even the diplomat is never allowed to make such type of killings.
We are under enormous debt from US and other countries. Then how can our politicians take independent decisions? They have promised everything to the US before coming into the power. And it is the history of our politicians that they bow to the US pressure. So I do not pin great hopes to our government.
The anti-US sentiment ran high in Pakistani masses, mainly due to the US drone attacks. According to the Conflict Monitoring Center, an Islamabad-based NGO, the CIA carried out an unprecedented 132 drone attacks, killing 938 civilians during 2010.
His case should be put into the courts, and whatever the courts decide should be done. We want to pressurize the government, that government should not accept and not bow down to the pressure of the American government, as it has been done in the case of Emil Kansi in 15 years before.
He was not a diplomat but a Blackwater agent who killed 3 innocent Pakistanis, and it seems that he will be able to escape from the law. While on the other hand, their judicial system sentenced Afia with 86 years in prison.
Keeping an illegal gun without any license or permit, Pakistani media speculate that the consulate official is an agent of the notorious US private security firm formerly known as Blackwater. In the meantime, US Ambassador to Pakistan, Cameron Monter, has also approached Pakistani officials for the custody of Davis, which many fear that the US is trying to get some special treatment for the US national. Muhammad Turi, Press TV, Karachi.